Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove background from like an image in CapCut PC. So I'll just select two pictures here real quick. For this one, I'm just going to go to the remove background section and I'm going to select auto removal. That's going to instantly remove the background, as you can see. On this one, I don't know how well it will work, but now it works on objects too. It usually works only on people, but you can just select auto removal and it's going to remove the background on anything now. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.